Hello everyone, my name is Sarika Tiwari from BTech CS second year. In this video, I will talking about presentation. So the topic that will be presenting and understanding blockchain technology contents. The contents that will be covering in this video would be begin with history to the blockchain technology, then introduction of blockchain, working mechanism, applications, advantages and disadvantages, future scope. First I will talking about history of blockchain. In 1991, a cryptographically secured chain of blocks is described for the first time by Stuart Haber and W. Stock Strotita. In 1998, computer scientist Nick Szabo works on BitGold, a decentralized digital currency. 2000. After Cost publishes this theory of cryptographic secured chains plus ideas for implementation. 2008. Developer working under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper establishing the model for blockchain. 2009. Nakamoto implements the first blockchain as the public ledger for transactions made using Bitcoin. 2014. Blockchain technology is separated from the currency and its potential for other financial inter-organizational transaction is explored. Blockchain 2.0 is born, referring to applications beyond currency. Introduction of blockchain. Blockchain is the backbone technology of digital cryptocurrency Bitcoin. The blockchain is the distributed database of record of all transactions or digital events that have been executed and shared among participating parties. Each transaction verified by the majority of participants of the system. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger of all the transactions across a peer-to-peer network. Using this technology, participants can perform transactions without the need for a central certifying authority. Blockchain underpins Bitcoin. It is unregulated, censorship-resistant shadow currency. Blockchain ensures cash-like coin passing, unique, immutable, and final. Bitcoin is the first blockchain application. Digital currencies differ from the cryptocurrency working mechanism. A want to send money, B then the transaction is represented online as a block. The block is broadcast to every party in the network. Those in the network, if the transaction is valid, then the block then can be added to chain which provides an indelible and transparent record of transactions. Then finally the money moves from A to B. Applications. First one is smart contracts. Option contracts written as code into blockchain. Contracts is part of public blockchain. Parties involved in the construct are anonymous. Contract executes itself when the conditions are met. Regulate user blockchain to keep an eye on contracts. Second one is cloud storage. Decentralized cloud storage in the blockchain is instead of running storage through a company that controls it, controlling a decentralized blockchain network stores the data. The technology is open source and there is no company controlling the data within this blockchain network. Third one is electronic voting. This design flow is there for limiting electronic vote applications at a time when growing computer literacy. A discrepancy between the vote count provided by the application on election day and or organization or some candidate would like control of new blockchain. Last one is privacy. Ledger is shared but participants require privacy. Participants need transaction to the private identity not linked to the transactions. Transactions need to be authenticated. Cryptographic control to this process. Advantages. First, reduce cost and complexity. Third, improve discoverability. Fourth, shared trusted process. Disadvantages of blockchain. Need high performance transactions. Second, small organization. Third, looking for a data bus replacement. Fourth, looking for a messaging solution. Future scope. Full stack blockchain, decentralized production platform, decentralized borderless virtual nation, electronic construct, anti-counterfeit platform, helping local economics to grow, asset protection, Internet of Things, data storage and network. Now I will like to thank my teachers who gave me this opportunity to work on this presentation. Thank you.